Good evening. Can you hear me? Satish ඇහෙනවද? ඉනුරි ඇහෙනවද?
ඇහෙනවා සර්.
අපි අද මොඩල් පේපර් එකක් ඩිස්කස් කරන්න යන මම ගෲප් එකට දැම්මා. ඒකේ තියෙනවා question paper කියලා එකක්. papers දෙකක් තියෙනවා. question paper 1 කියන එක ඔයාලට පුළුවන් නම් ඕපන් කරගන්න. මම ස්ක්‍රීන් එකෙත් දානවා. ඒක අපි ඩිස්කස් කරමු. Okay. From the following, selected and write the numbers which do not give a whole number as the square root. Can you find out? First 3 questions. What are the? What is the root of 4? Root එක කීයද? 4. What is the root of 4? What is the asking question is? From the following, selected and write the number which do not give a whole number. What are the whole numbers? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. They are the whole numbers. Okay. 5, 6. The counting numbers are the whole numbers. What is the square root of 4? Satish, kiyada square root එක 4?
2.
Yes, 2. Then it's give a whole number. What is the square root of 16? Is 4. Then 10. It's don't give a whole number. Okay. Then what is the 9? Square root of 9? It's 3. Then 12. Is it give a whole number for the square root? 12? It's not. What are the numbers? 10 and 12. Okay. Can you get the next answer for the? What is the type of this triangle? What is the type is?
Isosceles triangle.
Yes, isosceles triangle. What are the properties of the isosceles triangle? Then the two sides are equal, so we can decide it. It is a isosceles triangle. Then properties of the isosceles triangle, the opposite angles are equal. Then what is this angle? Also 50 degrees. Okay. Then what are the summation of the internal angles in a triangle? Summation is
180.
yes, 180. Then 50, you have to write the steps. Okay. 50 plus 50 plus x equal to 180. Okay. you can write the cos හේතුව ලියන්න පුළුවන් ඕනනම්. What is the reason is internal angles of a triangle. Reasons ඕනේ short questions. What is that? 100 plus x equal to 180 degree. X equal to what is 180 minus 100. What is the answer is? It's 80 degree. Okay. You should have to keep the degree mark. Okay. Then what is the asking now for the third one? Third question. The area of a circular lamina is, what is the 44 square meters. What is the area of a sector cut from it with an angle of a 90 degree at the center? What is this? Then it's L. There is a circle, circular lamina. Then it's cut into the 4 parts. It's 4 parts because of 90 degree. Then one part equal to how much? Area is equal to මේ 90ක කෑල්ලන්නේ කපන්නේ. What is this? Area is
11.
yes, 44 square centimeters divided by 4. It's 11 square meters. Okay. If you finish the getting answers, raise hand. Okay, I think you're finished. Okay. Okay. Can you solve this equation? The numerator is a expression. X plus 1 is an expression. The denominator is 5. If you got the answer for the fourth one, send me to chat box. Yes, Inuri answer is correct. Satish answer is correct. Dilmi answer is correct. Okay, how we get the answer? X plus 1 divided by 5. Then how we get? We can multiply the both side by 5. Then 5 can divide by 5. X plus 1 equal to 10. Then answer is x equal to 10 minus 1. It's 9. Okay. If you got the answer for the fifth one, send me it. There is a probability questions. A bag contains between 10 and 20 identical balls. If different color including red, when a ball is randomly taken from it, is probability of being a red ball is 3/7. How many balls were in the bag? Yes, answer is correct, Devindu. A bag contains between 10 and 20 identical balls of different color, including red. Okay. A bag contains between 10 and 20 identical balls. අපිට 10 20 අතර ප්‍රමාණයක් identical balls තියෙනවා කියනවා. When a ball is randomly taken from it, its probability of being a red ball is 3/7. How many balls were in the bag? Okay, how we find it? What is the answer? Then, what is the 3/7? It's all the balls. If it's all the balls equal to 7, the probability is 3 being a red ball. How many balls were in the bag? It's what is 14 should be the all the balls. Okay. Then what is the probability being a red? It's 6/14. Then how many balls were in the bag? It's 14. Okay. 14 තමයි answer එක. Because the multiple of 7 should be a multiple of 7. Okay. 7 ගුණාකාරයක් වෙන්න ඕනේ. Bag එකේ තියෙන්න ඕන all the number of all balls. එක තේරුණාද ඉනුරි? සතිෂ්? Did you get the answer for the sixth one? What is that? I am giving how write the 10 to the power 2. It's equal to 100. Then we write it as a logarithm form. Log base 10 100 equal to 2 කියලා තමයි ලියන්නේ. Can you find the logarithm form of 5 to the power 3 equal 125? Can you write it? Okay, how we write it? Log base is what? Base එක කීයද? What is the base? Log base is what is base? Base is 5. Base එක 5යි. Then 125 equal to 3. Okay. If you finish the writing the answers, raise hand. Okay. Okay. Write a requirement for the quadrilateral shown in the diagram to be a parallelogram. What is this? What are the properties should be a parallelogram? If it's what is parallel and equal, if it's parallel and equal, then DC, if we DC equal to AB, then it's a parallelogram. Also, AD parallel to BC. If AD parallel to BC, it's a parallelogram. Write a requirement. You can write one requirement for the answer. ඔය දෙකෙන් එකක් ඔයාලට ලියන්න පුළුවන්. Okay. After you get the answer for the 8th one, send me the answer. Find the answers for the x and y. Yes, Satish, answers are correct. Yes, Sehan's answer is correct. Dilmi answers are correct. Devindu answers are correct. Inuri answers are correct. How we find it? Then what is the two sides are equal? මොකක්ද එහෙනම් okay type එක. Triangle type. What is the triangle type is? Two sides are equal. අපි කලිනුත් කතා කරා. Two sides equal na? What is the name of it? Equilateral. Hmm? What is? Hmm? Isosceles. Isosceles. Isosceles එකක් නම් then the opposite angles are equal. Then what is the 48 48 වෙනවා නේද? Then you know what is the exterior angles of a triangle? මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? මෙන්න මේ side එක extend කරලා තියෙන්නේ. If it's extended, the exterior angles is x is a exterior angles. Okay, x is a exterior. Then exterior angle equal to the internal opposite angles. What is summation of internal opposite angles? මොකද වෙන්නේ මේක සමාන වෙනවා මේ ඇතුලේ 48 දෙක එකතුවට. What is the x is how much? කීයද වෙන්නේ 96. Okay, then how we find, then this is 96, how we find the y? Y plus 90 plus 48 equal to how much? කීයට සමාන වෙන්නේ? ඔය ලොකු triangle එකේ මෙන්න මේ triangle එකේ internal angles, summation of internal angles. What is 180? Okay, then if 48 it's 90 because we can subtract in y is equal to 90 minus 48. What is the answer is? කීයද එන්නේ? කීයද? 40 42. Okay, if you finish raise hand. Okay, ඔක්කොම answer එක දුන්නනේ. හරි, අපි එන ඊළඟ එකට යමු. what is simplified this? What is the, this is the algebraic fractions. There are two algebraic fractions. The fraction, the denominator should be a same for the addition or subtraction. භාග අපිට විජීය භාග algebraic fraction එකක්ද කියලා අපිට වැඩක් නැහැ. අපිට ඕනේ denominator එක එකම වෙන්න ඕනේ. If it should adding. Okay. We know we can simplify only like terms. එකම ජාතිය සමජාතීය පද like terms. We can simplify only addition or subtraction, the like terms. If you got the answer, send me to chat box. I will check and tell if it's correct. Dilmi answer is correct. Inori answer is correct. Okay, I am going to solve this. Then you have to write down the like terms to adjacent as adjacent. Okay, එක ළඟ ලියා ගන්න like terms. Then -4 and +4y. Then what should be the denominator? Denominator එක same වෙන්න ඕනේ නේද? Then what is the, we can 4 දාගත්තොත් what is the, අපි 4 දාගන්න නම් 2 කියන එක multiply වෙන්න ඕනේ 2 වලින්. Then we should multiply the numerator by same factor. දෙකෙන් denominator එක වැඩි කරා නම් එහෙනම් what is the numerator should be multiplied by same value. What is then 4y වලින් එකක් අඩු වුණොත් කීයද? What is the 3y. Okay, then denominator is 4. Now x plus 2x. What is it? 3x plus 3y. Okay, can you understand it? මොකක්ද කරේ කියලා තේරුණාද? If you couldn't get it as answer, write down it. After you take the 10th question. 10th, what is the relationship between the OE and AB? In geometric lessons, we discussed what is the relationship. Satish, can you remember? What is?
Perpendicular.
Yes, it's perpendicular. It's 90 degree. Okay, you have to write down you can write it by symbols. Okay, it's OE perpendicular to AB. Okay, if another way, OE is perpendicular to AB. To AB. You can write the both ways. Second, what is the second one? Fill the blank and complete the following expression. If you got the answer for the Roman number 2, send me it to chat box. What is the answer? ඔක්කරි ඔකට තියෙනවා නේද මොකක්ද අපි ඔකට කියන්න මොන තියරම් එක කියලා OB square equal OE square plus yes Satish answer is correct Tevindu answer is correct yes Dilmi answer is correct yes Inuri answer is correct Sehansa answer is correct okay what is the it's should be the I'm writing the full uh, equation OB square equal to OE square plus EB square. What is this theorem? It's what is the theorem behind this expression? Pythagoras theorem එක නේද? It's Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Find the 11th one. The circumference of the base of a right circular cylinder is 15 centimeter. Its height is 10 centimeter. Find the area of the curved surface of the cylinder. Okay. If you found the answer, send me it. Yes, Inuri answer is correct. Satish asking the area, okay, curved area. Yes, Devindu answer is correct. The answer is correct. Okay, now I'm going to discuss it. Then can you see a cylinder? What is? ඔය සිලින්ඩර් එකක් නේද තියෙන්නේ. දැන් ඕකේ මොකද්ද මේ right circular cylinder කියන්නේ? මේ right circular cylinder කියන්නේ හරි. ඒ කියන්නේ perpendicular height එකක් තියෙනවට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ right circular කියලා. ඔය නම දන්නේ නැති ඉන්න හිතන්න පුළුවන් සමහර ඒවා තියෙනවා දැන් අපිට මෙන්න මෙහෙම ඇද වෙච්ච. Is this a circular right circular cylinder? Is it? It's right circular දෙක. It's not. Okay. අපි ඔය ඇද වෙලා කියන මොන අකුරුද එහෙමද කියන්නේ? What is the name of it? Oblique circular cylinder එකක් කියන්නේ. අපිට ඔය area හැම calculate කරන්න බෑ. Okay. Then අපි බලමු කොහොමද right circular. Right circular එක the curved area is equal to what is the shape of the curved area? It's මොකක් වගේද? මම මේක නෑ හැඩයට යන්නේ මේ මොකක් වගේද හැඩේ තියෙන්නේ? මේ මොකද්ද? What is the shape is? Rectangle. හරි. මෙන්න මේ දැන් අපේ මෙන්න මේ right circular cylinder එකේ ඔය වටේ තියෙන මේ මේක දිගෑරියොත් අපිට තියෙන්නේ what is the its shape is rectangle. එතකොට මේ what is the circumference of the base? මේ base එක මම උඩ පැත්තෙන් පෙන්නුවොත් මේ base එකේ වටේ ඒ කියන්නේ වටේ දිග then it's about to 15 centimeter. එහෙනම් මේක 15 centimeter. What is the height is? Height is 10 centimeter. Then what is the area is? 15 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter. How about the answer is 150 square centimeters. Okay. Can you understand it? එක හරිද? If you finish, raise hand. Okay. Then I'm taking next questions. Okay. Do you know the matrices? How we solve the matrices? If you got the answer for the matrices, if X and Y the answers, send me it to chat box. Okay. Can you find 2a? You have to multiply every element in the matrix by 2. Can you get? And b is same. You have to b is on as a b. What is the first 2a? How much? All elements should be multiplied by 2. Okay. Can you get the answer? බලන්න 2a කොහොමද ගන්න? 2a equal 4, 10. Every element should be multiplied by 2. Okay. Then you have to subtract. Then 4, 10, 6, 0. Have to subtract b. Its b is 1, 3, 2, 1. What is? Answer is the corresponding element should be subtract. What is the 4 minus 1 is 3. Then 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. 6 minus 2 is what is? 6 දෙයක් අඩුනොත් කීයද? It's 4. අපේ ඒක තියෙනවානේ answer එකේම. හරි. Then 0 minus 1 is minus 1. What is the relevant values for the x and y? X is 3, y is how much? Minus 1. Okay. You should write x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 1. Okay. You got the answer for the 13th one. Send me it. Write the equation of the straight line with intercept 4, which is parallel to straight line given by y equal 3x minus 2. what is, can you tell me y equal mx plus c? What is m? Can you tell me m is what is? Form of this equation, y equal 3x minus 2 is equal to form of y equal mx plus c. y සමානයි mx, y සමානයි 3x ඍණ 2 කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? ඒකේ ෆෝම් එක y equal mx plus c කියන ෆෝම් එකේ තියෙන්නේ. Then m is what is? m කියන්නේ මොකද්ද ඕකේ? Can you tell me what is m? m is gradient. m කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? gradient එක. අපි කියන්නේ ඔය y equal මෙහෙමනේ. මෙන්න මේ වගේ එකක් එන්නේ y x. එතකොට මේකේ මේ තියෙන slope එක නැත්නම් ආනතියට අපි කියනවා gradient. හරි, gradient. Then what is the 3 is මේකේ නම් 3 තමයි gradient එක. දැන් මොකද වෙන්නේ? parallel වෙනවා නම් gradients මොකද වෙන්නේ? Every gradients are equal. දැන් මේවා එකකට එකක් parallel. මොකෙන්ද වෙනස් වෙන්නේ? What is the difference? What is the difference? It's by intercept. මේ intercept එක තමයි අපි c කියන්නේ. What is the intercept of this one? It's minus 2. Then what is the parallel line which intercept is 4? Can you tell me? Now gradient එක equal වෙන්න ඕනේ, intercept එක තමයි වෙනස් වෙන්නේ. මේ කැපෙන තැන තමයි intercept එක කියන්නේ c. මෙතනත් එතකොට මේ පැත්තේ minus c. Now can you get the equation? Yes, Devindu answer is correct. Parallel lines වල gradient එක equal වෙනවා, intercept එක තමයි වෙනස් වෙන්නේ. In a straight line graphs වල. What is the equation is? Y equal 3x plus 4. Right? Okay, find out the 14th one. 14 වෙනි එක කියන්න බලන්න. What is the theorem of this geographic theorem? Geometric theorem is what is? Midpoint theorem. Can you inverse of midpoint theorem? Can you remember? What is? If in a triangle, the midpoint of one side connect to the another side. Okay, may connect to another side. Then the midpoint connecting the side is or leg is equal to parallel to another side. May parallel වෙලා තියෙනවා. Then what is the? Then මොකද්ද කියන්නේ? මේ 10 cm වලින් කොච්චරක්ද මේ DE කියන එක? AB වලින් භාගයක් තමයි මේ DE කියන්නේ. එතකොට what is the size of DE? DE is equal to half of AB. It's 5 centimeter. What is the theorem is? Midpoint theorem. Okay, what is the DE equal? Then may they got equal වෙනවා. What is the DC equal to how much? DC equal to 8 centimeter also. Okay, can you find out the AC is? AC එහෙනම් කීයද? AC is AD plus DC. It's also 16 centimeter. 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. Okay. Satish, midpoint theorem එක අමතක වුණාද?
ඔව් සර්.
එතකොට මේකත් 8 centimeter වෙන්නේ. මේ DE කියන්නේ 5 centimeter. If you finish the writing, raise hand. Okay. Next we go into the next two questions. 10 men can complete the work in 6 days after working for 2 days. 2 men didn't turn up for work. How many days of work are left after 2 days? How many days will be taken by 8 men to complete the rest of work by 8 men? After you completing the getting answer for the 15th one, send me answers. Okay, now I'm going to discuss it. Then can you tell me how many full complete work, how many days, main days, complete work? Remaining after 2 days, we have to find. Okay. Then complete work, how many days? 10 means 6 days. 10 multiplied by 6 is 60. මිනිස් දින කීයද 60ක්. හරි. 60. You have to subtract after working 2 days. 10 means work 2 days. How much completed? කීයක් වැඩ කරනවද? දවස් දෙකට 10 දෙනෙක් දවස් දෙකක් වැඩ කරනවා. How much? It's 40 නේද? It's 40. Then sorry 40 it's 20. 20ක් නේ. එතකොට ඉතුරු වෙනවා remaining is 40 men days. Second one, how many days will be taken by 8 men to complete the rest of work by 8 men? Days. How many days? How many men's days remaining now? It's 40. It's doing by how many men's? Okay. දැන් 40ක් ඉතුරු වුණා. ඒක කී දෙනෙක් එකතු වෙලාද කරන්නේ? 40 men days have to divide by 8 men. Okay. බලන්න මේ unit වලට unit cap උනාට පස්සේ how many days? 5 days. Okay. Then Tevindu answer is correct. Inuri answer is correct. Okay. Find out the answer for the 16. ඔයාලා ඔය දීලා තියෙන inequality එක අසමානතාවය ඉස්සරොම solve කරන්න ඕනේ. Solve කරලා ඉවර වෙලා you have to plotted on the number line. Okay. අපිට ඕක මේ දැන් පොඩ්ඩක් මම අමතක නම් මතක් කරන්න. if 3x plus 2 equal 8 කියලා equation එකක් තිබ්බනම් අපි කොහොමද solve කරන්නේ? 3x plus 2 equal 8. අන්න ඒ විදිහටමයි solve කරන්නේ. ඕක වෙනසක් නැහැ. එතකොට x වලට එනවා inequality එකත් එක්ක අසමානතාවය ලකුණත් එක්ක x වලට මොන numbers ද use කරන්න පුළුවන් කියලා. Okay. Find out it. The inequality you can get by the with x algebraic term. Okay. Inuri හැදුවද?
ඔව් සර්.
සතිෂ්
ඔව් සර්.
අපි එනම් සයිගමු 3x plus 2 greater than or equal 8. 3x 8 minus 2 and 3x greater than or equal 6. We have to divide by both sides by 3. X greater than or equal 3. Okay. Then what is this? X greater than or equal කියනවා. x එනම් මොකේද වැඩිය? 3ට වැඩිය ලොකුයි නේද? It's greater than x greater than or equal 3. එහෙනම් x කියන එක කීයට වැඩිය ලොකුයි හෝ සමානයිද? It's what are the answers? මෙන්න මේ පැත්තට තමයි අපි පාට කරන්නේ.
ලොකුයි සර්.
Oh yes.
So x greater than or equal to.
yes 2 නේද අපිට එන්නේ 6 දෙකෙන් බෙදනවා 3යි sorry හරි it's equal to හරි මෙතනින් 2 හරි x greater than equal to 6 divided by 3 is 2 නේ හරි මට ඒක වරදුනා හරි දැන් එතකොට අපි මේක we have to plot the in number line x greater than or equal හින්දා අපි මෙතන we have to colored up the point එක color කරන්නේ equal හින්දා okay if you finish raise hand ඉවරද okay get the answers for these one rectangle shape of a prism given in a diagram has been drawn draw with measurement the other two rectangle faces okay what are the faces you should have to mark the corner angles that are the 90 degree in a rectangle 5 centimeter 8 centimeter then other is 4 centimeter 8 centimeter okay after you get the answer for the 18th one send me answer yes Inuri answer is correct what is the value is? What is the tariff is? Tariff, we can find out the tariff equal 18,000 multiplied by it's how much? 2,160 rupees. Is it 2,160? Is it the answer? Tariff is. Then we have to both of the item equal to 18,000 plus 2,160. How much? 20,160. Is it the answer? ඒකනේ answer එක. ඉනුරි හරි නේද?
ඔව් සර්.
If you complete the 18th question, get the answer for the 19th one. Yes, Inuri answers are correct. After you finish, send me the answers. What is the PQR value is? Then PR is a diameter. PR it's a diameter of a circle of center O in the shown figure. Point Q. Q is located on the circle. Q is located on the circle. PQ equal QR. PQ equal to QR. It's given here. PQ equal to QR. What is the value of PQR? PQR, it's 90 degrees. Because the reason is it's a angle of semicircle. Then it's the two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle. The opposite angles are equal, then PRQ and PSQ in same sector angles, what is that? It's 45. හරි. හරි. එතකොට මේකට සමාන වෙන්න ඕනේ මේක. මොකද? එකම sector එකේ angles. හරි. එතකොට the PSQ is 45. Okay. If you finish, raise hand. The answer after you finish, raise hand. හරි. ඉවරයි ඇතිනේ. හරි. Find the value of cos theta if sin theta equal 12/13. Okay, can you get the මම මේකේ theory එකත් explain කරන්නම්. මම මේක පොඩි කරනවා. What is this? Then if this is the theta, okay, you can write it's theta, then මේ thetaත් එක්කම තියෙන leg එකට අපි side එකට අපි මොකද්ද කියන්නේ? It's adjacent. Oh, adjacent. Then this is the opposite. මේක ඉස්සරහන්නේ තියෙන්නේ. then මොකද්ද? Opposite side. Then what is this? අපි it's if it's right angle triangle, what we call it? මොකක්ද අපි ඒකට කියන්නේ? Hypo adjacent කියන්න අකුරු හරිද මෙතන adjacent JA නේද? Hypo මොකද්ද? hypotenuse. hypotenuse. අපි කියන්නේ කර්ණය කියලා සිංහලෙන් නම් කියන්නේ. හරි? It's hypotenuse. Then sin theta is equal to how much? Sin theta is equal opposite side. හරි මම ඒකේ O දානවා divide by what is hypotenuse h cos theta equal what is the adjacent divide by hypotenuse tan theta equal opposite side divide by adjacent. Okay. Can you write the cos theta and sin theta and tan theta? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Then what is the given here? Find the value of cos theta if sin theta. Sin theta නම් මොකද වෙන්නේ? Sin theta වල fraction. What is the numerator? Numerator එකේ කීයද තියෙන්නේ? sin theta කියන value එක දීලා තියෙන්නේ 12 over 13. එහෙනම් මොකක්ද? If sin theta වල එහෙනම් මොකක්ද තියෙන්නේ? opposite side එක. theta ට ඉස්සරහම කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ? opposite side එකනේ. එහෙනම් sin theta වල opposite තියෙන්නේ මේ. now opposite side එක තමයි 12. Then hypotenuse sin theta වල it's 13. Okay. Can you find the BC by using the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem එකෙන් BC හොයන්න බලන්න. Can you find BC? If you got the answer for the BC by Pythagoras theorem, send me it. Yes, Inori, answer is correct. Cos theta is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. කීයද වෙන්නේ? 13 වර්ගය equal වෙනවා 13 square equal to 12 square plus BC square. Then BC square is 169 minus 144. It's 25. BC is 20. BC square is 25. BC is 5 centimeter. එහෙනම් BC කියන එක 5යි කියලා ආවා. Now can you find the cos theta? Cos theta කොහොමද හොයන්නේ? Cos theta කියන්නේ adjacent side have to divide by what is hypotenuse. Then 5 divide by which? 13. Okay. What is the cos theta? Is 5 over 13. If you finish the 20th question, raise hand. විශ්ව ඉවරණ raise hand කරනවා. Do you have any problem for the 20? Okay, find the answer for the 21. You see, එකට කීයද ආවේ බලන්න. Who got the answer? A histogram drawn to represent marks scored by several students in a mathematics test is shown in the figure. What are the x-axis given by the marks and number of students given by y-axis. Y-axis එකෙන් students ලාගේ ගාන තියෙනවා. marks ගාන තියෙනවා x-axis එකෙන්. Then how many students have scored between 10 and 30? 10 and 30 score කරලා තියෙන කොහොමද හොයන්නේ? Then how many units? අපි unit මෙතන unit එකක් කියලා ගත්තොත් මේක unit කීයද? මෙන්න මේ දිග unit 2යි. What is the number of students? Its frequency. It's 10. Then what is the area? මේ area එක 10 දෙකෙන් වැඩි කරොත් කීයද? 20යි. මෙතන නම් එක වැඩි කරොත් 5න්. It's 5. Then this, it's also 5. What is this? 1 multiplied by 15. It's 15. 20, 20. What is this? How many students between 10 and 30? Here, 10 and 30. Satish, here, 10 and 30 එක. 20 දෙනයි නේද? It's 20. What is the total number of students who appeared for the test? කීයක් ඉන්නවද ඔක්කොමලා? ඔක්කොම students ලා කීයද exam එකට ඉන්නලා තියෙන්නේ? කීයද? 5යි 20යි 25යි 30යි it's 45. Okay, if you finish, raise hand. Satish, sehansa iwarada? හරිනේ. ඉතින් නේද time එක. Point C and D are located on the circle shown in the figure where AB is a diameter. If CDB equal X, write the magnitude of each following angles in terms of X. මම පොඩ්ඩක් help එකක් දෙන්න. What is the shape of this figure? මේ figure එකේ shape එක මොකක්ද? There are 4 sides. අපි ඔය වගේ වට කියන්නේ මොකද්ද ඔය කියන්නේ? Quadrilateral එකක් කියලා මතකද? Can you? Quadrilateral එකක්. හරි? If quadrilateral in a circle, quadrilateral circle එකක් ඇතුලේ තිබ්බොත් what is? මොකද වෙන්නේ? The opposite angles, the summation of opposite angles, මෙන්න මේ angles වල එකතුව මොකද වෙන්නේ? Equal to how much? It's 180 වෙනවා. 180ට සමාන වෙනවා. හරි? එහෙනම් මොකද වෙන්නේ? CAB plus CAB කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේක. X equal to 180. 180ට සමාන වෙනවා. එහෙනම් CAB is equal to 180 minus X. Okay. find out the CBA. Can you find the CBA now? This is 180 minus x. Okay, then this is 90 degree because it's a diameter. AB is diameter. Now can you find this? Now you know the two angles. And after you have to find the CBA. CBA ට මොකක්ද දාගන්න y කියලා. Can you find out? After you find the answer for the CBA, send me it. මම මේක පැත්තකින් හදන්නම්. CBA plus 90 degree plus 180 minus x equal to 180. හරි. එතකොට මේකේ 180 දෙකක් මේ පැත්තේ තියෙනවා. Then CBA equal to 9x minus 19. Okay, CBA is equal to x minus 90. After you finish the getting answer, raise hand it. Is it 23? Did you get the answer? What is perfect square එකක් විදියට කොහොමද ලියන්නේ? Satish? කොහොමද ලියන්නේ? x plus a square නේ. Then second one x square plus 2ax plus a square minus 9. Then first is x plus a square minus 9. It's we can write 3 to the power 2. Then Also, we can write x plus a minus 3 and x plus a plus 3. Okay. ඔහොම තමයි අපිට ලියන්න වෙන්නේ. Get the answer for the 24. A row ornamental plant should be placed at the equal distance from two walls A, B, and B, C depicted in figure. Using knowledge of lossy, drawing figure how this row of plants should be placed. මොකද කරන්න වෙන්නේ? ඔය දෙකටම හරි මැදින් තියෙන විදිහට කොහොමද අපි ඔය ප්ලාන්ට් ටික මේවා කරන්නේ? හරියටම ඔය දෙක මැදින්ම යනවා කියන්නේ මොකක්ද මේ? මෙන්න මෙහෙම හරියට ඔහොම මැදින් යවන්න රෝ එකක් නේද ඔය ප්ලාන්ට් කරන්න යන්නේ. මොකක්ද අපි ඔකට කියන්නේ? What is the name of it? The lossy is, what is the lossy? Name of the lossy? Who can tell me? Inuri, මොකක්ද ඔය lossy එකේ name එක?
Angle bisector.
Yes, angle bisector. How we draw the angle bisector? As a sketch. අපි මේක ඇඳලා අපි මේ වගේ මාක් එකක් දානවා. එතකොට දන්නවා මේ තියෙන මොකද්ද? angle bisector කියලා. Okay. හරි. You have to draw. If you finish, raise hand. ඉවර නම් ඉඳලා raise hand කරන්න. If you finish, raise hand. ඉවර නම් raise hand කරන්න අනිවාර්යයෙන්. හරිද? ඉනුරි finish නේ. සතිෂ් ඉවරද? සයන්ස ඉවරයි ඇතිනේ. Okay. 25. According to the information given in the Venn diagram, place tick against the each correct statement. Okay. Find out the what is. Get the answers first. What is the first one? First one එකේ මොකක්ද තියෙන්නේ? අපි මේ symbol එකට මොකක්ද කියන්නේ බා? What is the symbol of this? What is the operation is? Can you tell me? Satish?
Union.
Yes, union. Then this one is?
Intersect.
Yes, intersect. හරි. ඔය දෙක තමයි මෙතන තියෙන්නේ. What is the intersect of AB? AB වල දෙකටම අහු වෙන ටික. හරි. බලන්න දෙකටම අහු වෙන ටික ඔය ටික නේද? It's B. B මයි නේද? එහෙනම් ඒක හරි. බලමු next one. Then A intersect B equal to A වෙනවද? ඔය දෙකටම පොදු එක වෙනවද A? නෑ නේද? A පොදු වෙන්නේ නෑනේ. It's not. Then what is the A union B? A union B. ඔය දෙකටම එකතු වෙන එක B වෙනවද? නෑ. A union B equal to A. ඔය විදිහට ගත්තද answers ටික. Did you got the answers? If you finish, raise hand. එක ගත්තා. නේ අපි මේ B part එකේ ටිකක් discuss කරමු මේ බලන්න fourth question එක ගන්න B part එකේ can you get the what is the answer? Answer the question asked on the Venn diagram given below. Describe set P in words. What is the P? 3, 6, 9, 12. What are the? There. මොනවද ඔය 3 6 9 12 කියන්නේ මොනවද? Can you tell me? Satish මොනවද?
Multiples of 3.
Yes, multiple of 3. We can write the multiple of 3 between which numbers? Multiple of 3 between 1 and 15 වගේ අපි දාමු. 1 and 15. What is the shaded area? How we can get? We can write P. What is P? P වලින් අඩු කරන්න තියෙනවා මොකද්ද? P වලින් මේ අඩු කරලා තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? Difference P minus Q. We can write it as P. What is P intersects Q dash. Okay. Write down it. Fill in the blank n number of elements P intersect Q. P intersect Q වල කීයද? Number of elements. Cardinal number එක කියනවා අපි. අවයව කීයක් තියෙනවද? Number of elements. How many number? Inuri?
Two.
Yes, 2. දෙකයි නේද තියෙන්නේ. මෙන්න මේකනේ අපේ මේ දෙකටම අහු වෙන ටිකේ ඒකේ දෙකයි තියෙන්නේ. Okay, find out the answer for the B, question B, part B. Okay, A, B, and C are 3 types of buses running on a particular route. A passenger has an equal chance of traveling in these 3 types of buses. Indicate on the grid sample space of the types of bus a man will travel on during his departure and return. Okay, එතකොට මේවා you have to mark the probability spaces in the grid. Okay. It's a plus question. Roman number indicate grid the sample space of the type of bus a man will travel on during his departure and return. Okay, mark on the grid event of passengers getting out. Second one, getting buses not belonging to the same type during the departure and return journey. Find the probability. එකම ජාතියේ එක යන අය මොකද ආවෙත් බස් එකේ යන්නෙත් ඒ ජාතියේම ඒ කියන්නේ එකම රූට් එකේ යන බස් වර්ග තුනක්. එතකොට එකම ජාතියේ එක යන්නේ නැත්තම් මෙන්න මේ ටිකයි මෙන්න මේ ටිකයි. How many sample space to not the same type? What is the probability now? Sample space is 9. How much the probability not written in the same type? කීයද chance එක තියෙන්නේ? 9 නම් සතීෂ් කීයද? 9 නම් 6ක් නේද chance එක තියෙන්නේ. We can simplify it. What is 3 to divide by, we can divide by 3. It's 2 over 3. I finished the writing. Ibarat raise hand කරන්න බලන්න. Okay. මේකේ paper එකේ ඉතුරු ටික can you do at home? ගෙදරදී කරන්න පුළුවන්. Next week අපි discuss කරමු. Can you do? සතීෂ් පුළුවන් වේද?
පුළුවන්.
හරි. අපි එහෙනම් next week ඒ ටික discuss කරමු. එහෙනම් මම අදට class එක නතර කරනවා. Okay? Good night. Okay?
Good night, sir.
Okay.